In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your printify product variants to Etsy using SKU matching. If you sell products with multiple options like size, color, or style, it's really important that your Etsy listing variations line up correctly with the exact variants inside printify. When this is set up properly, orders are much less likely to get confused, and the correct product version can be routed through fulfillment. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your active Printify developer profile account. Make sure you're working in the correct store before making any changes. Once you're inside Printify, go to your store connection settings. This is where you can confirm that your Etsy shop is connected and communicating properly with Printify. From there, sync your active products with Etsy. This step helps make sure both platforms are updated with the latest product information. If you've recently edited listings, added new variants, or changed product settings, syncing is especially important. Give it a moment to finish so you know you're working with the most current version of your catalog. Next, open your Etsy Shop Manager. Go directly to the product variations matrix for the listing you want to connect. This is the section where Etsy displays the different combinations of choices available to your buyers, such as different sizes paired with different colors. Take your time here because accuracy matters. The labels you see on Etsy need to correspond exactly to the right variants in Printify. Now compare your Etsy listing choice labels with the specific product variant listings inside Printify. You want each Etsy variation to match the correct Printify version one by one. Pay close attention to naming differences, especially if something is abbreviated on one platform but fully written out on the other. Even small mismatches can make troubleshooting harder later. Once you've identified the correct matches, edit the SKU lines on Etsy and paste in the corresponding Printify variant identifiers. This is what bridges the two systems together. In other words, you're telling Etsy which exact Printify variant belongs to each variation option in the listing. As you enter each identifier, double-check that every SKU line is attached to the correct variation combination. A quick review at this stage can save you from fulfillment errors later. When everything is matched properly, your Etsy listing and your Printify product variants will be much more reliably connected, making order handling smoother and more accurate.